We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, and there's left to do is run. You'll be the princess, I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet 'cause we're taking home, so close your eyes. Get the time for a little while. Oh, oh, 'cause you were Romeo, I was a flower. Letter and my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me. I was begging you, please don't go. Then I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the princess, I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, save me. They're trying to tell me how to feel. This love is difficult, but it's a real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say it. Oh, I got tired of waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. My faith in you was fading when I met you on the outskirts of town. And I said, Romeo, save me, I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. It's in my head, I know what to think. He knelt to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, marry me, Juliet, you never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. I talked to your dad, you'll pick out a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say it. Yes. Oh, oh, oh. 'Cause we were both young when I first saw you.